Are you looking to sell your home quickly and for a great price? Then you need to pay attention to one important aspect, staging your home. This is Serdar and welcome to Purpose Driven Life. Now let's dive into the power of staging. At the end of this video, I'll be sharing one of the biggest decorating mistakes and how to solve the challenge. Stay tuned for that.
Staging is an investment that helps maximize the rate of return on the sale of the property and usually costs less than the first price reduction. With an average investment of 1% of the sale price into staging, about 75% of sellers saw an ROI of 5% to 15% over asking price, according to data from the Real Estate Staging Association, RESA. A recent survey from the International Association of Home Staging Professionals shows that staging helps sell homes 3 to 30 times faster than the non-staged competition. Further, staging can help increase the sale price by up to 20% on average. For sellers who decide not to stage, the IAHSP survey also shows that the average price reduction on a home was 5 to 20 times more than what the staging investment would have been. Picture this: a quaint 3-bedroom house in the suburbs, on the market for a few weeks with no offers. The homeowners, feeling discouraged, decided to give staging a try. They updated the decor, created an inviting atmosphere, and suddenly, the once overlooked property was being seen in a new light. The result? The house sold within a week and for 15% above the asking price. This is the power of staging. It's not just about making a home look pretty. It's about creating an emotional connection with potential buyers. It's about helping them visualize the property as their own. When a home is staged, it accentuates the positives and minimizes the negatives. That outdated kitchen countertop? It's less noticeable when the room is well staged. That small living room? It appears more spacious when the furniture is arranged just right. In our increasingly digital age, staging has become even more crucial. It influences whether a potential buyer even decides to view the home in person. A well-staged home is more likely to catch a buyer's eye when they're scrolling through listings online. But let's not forget about the return on investment. Staging is a worthwhile investment, with an average return of 5 to 15% over the asking price. Staged homes not only sell faster, but they can also increase the sale price by up to 20%. On the flip side, not staging a home often leads to price reductions that are significantly higher than the cost of staging. So what have we learned today? Staging is an important aspect of selling a home. It helps create an emotional connection with buyers. It makes a home more appealing, helps buyers visualize their furniture in the space, and can even influence a buyer's decision to view the home in person. And perhaps most importantly, it can significantly increase the sale price of a home. So the next time you see a home selling quickly and at a higher price, remember the secret might just be staging.
Staging involves arranging your home in a way that appeals to potential buyers and makes them feel at home. Tell me in the comments what is your approach when it comes to staging and whether you effectively used staging before. Here is the ultimate guide to perfectly stage your home for a successful sale. Let's start with decluttering. Remove any personal items, excess furniture, and knickknacks. A clutter-free home always allows buyers to envision themselves living there. Naturalize your space, repaint the walls with natural colors to appeal to a wider range of buyers. It helps them to visualize their own style in space. Don't forget lighting. Open curtains and blinds to let natural light flood in. Replace old dim bulbs with bright and energy-efficient ones. Good lighting creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Finally, maximize your curb appeal. Enhance your entryway with fresh coat of paint for the front door, well-maintained landscaping, and inviting porch furniture. Remember, staging a home can make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. By following these steps, you'll be sure to get the best offers and sell your home in no time. Now, time for the number one biggest decorating mistake and the solution. Let me know in the comments below what was your worst and best design ideas. And yes, I'll be talking about angled furniture. For example, let's take this dining room table, which is positioned diagonally, cutting the room in all the wrong places. Although it does not look too bad, see if you will change your mind when you see the alternative approach. And here's the alternative. Now, see the transformation, right? The dining area is now transformed, and now the table is positioned in a place that makes more sense in the space. Not only does this visually enhance the look of the room, but it also adds more square footage. Don't miss out this opportunity to gain a competitive edge, guys. End of the game by watching our predictions and insight on the 2024 housing market. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell to receive regular updates and informative videos on topics shaping our future. Thanks so much for listening, and see you next time.